I have traveled far and away from this church for many years and decades, but I have never forgotten that this church is my family in faith, and my family in turn of kinship. The Hmong Americans of Kansas are all my family, whether you know it or not. I was asked once by my college roommate at the University of Kansas, after he learned of the hardship I have been through escaping from my home country of Laos. He wondered why I did not grow up angry or became an angry person. My answer to him was because of the love I received from my family and the support I had from this church. It was this church that I learned to be strong and fear no darkness. It was this church that I have learned to forgive. I believe this church will open its door to all people, regardless whether they are rich or poor, weak or strong, citizen or non-citizen of this country, documented or undocumented. When you are hungry, this church and its member will give you food. And when you are thirsty, this church will give you water. This church began with nothing except for families coming together with love and kindness. When you and I have nothing, this church will be here for all of us. But since nothing lasts forever, when this church happened to not being here, you and I and our children will still have each other as family.